Good morning, children. This is Vedugopal for Little Hearts Publications, Social Studies, Book 3, Lesson 6, Clothes We Wear. In the previous lesson, we discussed food we eat. Now, clothes we wear. We all discussed in the previous classes also. Why do we wear clothes? What is the importance of clothes for us? We wear clothes to cover our body. Not only that, children, you all know that clothes give beauty to our body. Clothes make us look attractive. And different people in different regions wear different types of clothes. Why? Because they have to wear the clothes which suit their climate, their weather conditions. What do clothes represent? Clothes represent our culture. Do people wear same kind of clothes in all the seasons? No. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. And some people in some states particularly, they wear, some states people wear caps, some people wear turbans. And talapagalu antam. Rajasthanis, you might have seen, they wear turbans. And not only that, men and women also wear different types of clothes in different parts of the country. What do people who do special jobs wear? People who are called people, who are the people who do special jobs? Police, nurse, post people, post office people. All these they come under school children. You also, they all wear a special type of clothes called uniforms. Okay, children, let us go into the details of the lesson. Page number 41 in the textbook. We need clothes to protect ourselves from different types of climate. Which means we need clothes to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain or dust, whatever it is. And the clothes protect us from different types of climate, different weather conditions. We have already learned that climate varies from region to region. Not only that, in the previous lesson, children, we have learned that climate changes or varies from place to place in India. Everywhere, not only in India. So, people of different regions wear different types of clothes depending upon the climatic conditions. In the previous lesson also, children, you remember that we discussed people of different regions eat different types of food. Why? To suit, because of their climatic conditions. In the same way, people of different regions wear different types of clothes depending upon the climatic conditions in their region. Men and women wear different types of clothes. We know that. Generally, men wear pants and shirts and women wear saris. In some areas, women wear Punjabi dresses. There are different types of dresses worn by men and women in different parts of the country. The clothes that men and women wear also vary from region to region. Means from place to place, the clothes worn by men and women also change. The following picture shows different types of clothes worn by people of different regions. You can see these pictures show different types of clothes worn by people of different regions, different places in our country, different states in our country. Most of the women in our country wear sari and blouse. You can see this is called a sari. The last picture in the yellow. Most of the women in our country wear sari and blouse. Salwar kameez, Punjab. Ghagra kurta with odhni, Haryana. Ghagra kachli, Rajasthan. And lehenga and choli, Gujarat are the other important dresses worn by Indian women. So most of the women in India wear sari and blouse, but in some states particularly women wear different kinds of dresses. Their names are given there. In Punjab they wear salwar kameez. You can see the first picture there in page number 42. Left first one is salwar kameez. Ghagra kurta with odhni in Haryana. Ghagra kachli in Rajasthan. Lehenga and choli in Gujarat. These are the other important dresses worn by Indian women. Now, shirt and trousers. Trousers means pants. You know, pants, men wear pants, I told you already. They are called trousers. Shirt and trousers are the most common dress worn by men in cities and towns. Most of the people, majority of the people in our country, particularly men, majority of the men, means most of the men in our country wear trousers and shirt. Means pant and shirt. In cities and towns mainly, kurta pajama, dhoti kurta, lungi kurta are some other common dresses worn by men. Kurta pajama, dhoti kurta, lungi kurta, these are some of the other common dresses worn by men. If you look at the pictures, you can see there in the second picture how different kinds of dresses are there worn by men in India. In Rajasthan, men wear chudidar kurta with achkan. Achkan means angi. There is a overcoat. You can see that overcoat there. Churidar kurta with achkan. The Rajasthani men. Men in different states, particularly in North Indian states, wear different types of headgears. Headgears, you can see that there. Some people wear turbans, some people wear caps. These are called headgears. In different states, not all the states, in some states only, particularly in North Indian states, men wear different types of headgears. Punjabi men wear a turban. Talapaga antam danni, Sirastranam. The men in Rajasthan and Maharashtra also wear turbans, but in a different style. People in Rajasthan and Maharashtra also wear turbans, just like the people of Punjabi men. But they wear the turbans in a different style. Gujarati men wear Gandhi caps. You can see that there, because Gandhi was born in Gujarat. Most of the people, men in Gujarat, wear Gandhi caps. The clothes people wear also vary from season to season. Of course, I told you already, children, we discussed it in the previous class also. People wear different types of clothes in different seasons. The clothes that people wear change from season to season. For example, people wear light cotton clothes in summer season and woolen clothes in winter season. Why? Light cotton clothes make us keep our body cool. That's the reason why in summer season we wear light cotton clothes. And in winter season, now we are in winter season only, we wear woolen clothes because we feel cold. To protect ourselves from cold weather, we wear woolen clothes. You can see that woolen clothes, cotton clothes keep us cool, woolen clothes keep us warm. People belonging to different professions and school-going children wear a special type of clothes called uniforms. I told you already, children, some people do special jobs. Police people have a special duty. Nurses have special duties. Doctors have special duties. Postmen have different. So these all people perform different special jobs. These people wear a common dress called uniform. They are called uniform. School-going children also, of course, you are a school-going child only, so you all know that you wear uniforms to your school. So these are called the people doing different jobs. They wear special type of clothes called uniforms. Let us know the various types of clothes worn by people of different states from the table given below. You can see, children, in the 44 page, there is a table given. And state-wise, what kind of clothes are worn by people, they are given there. Andhra Pradesh, dhoti shirt, trousers shirt, sari blouse and pavadai. Assam, dhoti kurta, mekhla chadar, riha. Bihar, dhoti kurta, trousers shirt, sari blouse. Chhattisgarh, dhoti kurta, sari blouse. Delhi, trousers shirt, jeans t-shirt, sari blouse, salwar kameez. Means both men and women's dresses are given there together in the second column. Like that, you can see different states, people of different states or people in different states and regions wear different types of clothes. Okay, children? With that, we come to the end of the lesson. Okay, children, the lesson is completed. Let us recollect. Recollect means what? Let us recap or relearn briefly what we have discussed in this lesson. Okay? People belonging to different regions wear different types of clothes. Okay? We all learned that in this lesson only. People belonging to different regions wear different types of clothes. Why? Because of the climatic conditions, weather conditions. Clothes people wear depend upon the climate and living conditions. So the clothes that the people wear all depend upon the climate and also living conditions. Men and women in different states of our country wear different types of clothes. Men in some states wear headgears called turbans and Gandhi caps. People belonging to particular professions wear a special type of clothes called uniforms. People who do special jobs wear special type of clothes called uniforms. Okay, children, then let us go to the task for summative assessment. Let us discuss in which under A we have got 5 questions. Let us discuss those questions with the answers. Question number 1. Why do people in different regions wear different types of clothes? People in different regions wear different types of clothes because of the change in the climatic conditions. To suit the climatic conditions of their places, people in different regions wear different types of clothes. Question number 2. Mention some types of clothes worn by Indian women. Mention some types of clothes worn by Indian women, particularly sari and blouse. Majority of women wear it. Punjabi women wear salwar kameez. Haryanvi women wear ghagra kurta with odhni. Rajasthani women wear ghagra kachli. And Gujarati women wear lehenga and choli. Okay? These are the different types of clothes worn by Indian women. What are the different types of clothes worn by Indian men? Indian men, shirt and trousers. These are very major. Most of the people wear shirt and pants. Kurta pajama, dhoti kurta, lungi kurta are some other common dresses worn by men. In Rajasthan, men wear chudidar kurta with achkan. These are the different types of clothes worn by men in India. Question number 4. What kind of clothes do people wear in summer season and winter season? People wear light cotton clothes in summer season and woolen clothes in winter season. Question number 5. What are the different types of headgears worn by men in different regions of the country? Different types of headgears. You can see Punjabi men wear a turban. Men in Rajasthan and Maharashtra also wear turbans but in a different style, whereas Gujarati men wear caps. Okay, with that we completed the questions. In B, we have got some blanks. First blank, most of the women in our country wear dash with blouse, sari with blouse. First blank, you have to write sari. Number 2, men in cities wear dash and dash, shirt and trousers. Men in cities wear shirt and trousers. Number 3, in Rajasthan, men wear dash with achkan, churidar kurta with achkan. Overcoat achkan means. Number 4, people wear different types of clothes in different climatic conditions. People wear different types of clothes in different climatic conditions. You have to write climatic in the 4th blank. Number 5, people who do a particular job wear uniforms. In C, we have got true or false statements. Children, you see, first one, if it is correct, you have to write true. If it is not correct, you have to write false, F there in the brackets. First one, people of all regions in our country wear the same type of clothes. False. They wear different types of clothes. Number 2, the clothes the people wear depend upon the climatic conditions also. True. This is true. Number 3, men and women wear different types of clothes in different states. This is also true. Men and women wear different types of clothes in different states. Number 4, dhoti kurta is the most common dress worn by the Indian men. No. Shirt and trousers is the most common dress worn by Indian men. So, 4th one is false, F. Number 5, Punjabi men wear turbans on their heads. Yes, that is true. In match the following, you can see ghagra kurta with odhni. Who are the women who wear such kind of dress? Ghagra kurta with odhni, Haryana. Haryanvi women. Salwar kameez, Punjabi women. Ghagra kachli, Rajasthani women. Ghagra kachli. Lehenga choli, Gujarati women. Sari blouse, South Indian women. Okay, children, with that we come to the end of this lesson. The key for all these exercises will be sent to you through WhatsApp. Thank you.